Anna. Yes. This is the night after. No, this is Boxing Day night. We're headed to dinner. I'm going to share with you what's on the menu tonight at the hotel. I hope you can hear me, because I'm speaking as loud as I possibly can. Right, see you soon. That night they served salmon wraps with a little spicy dipping sauce on top. You can see in the bottom left corner. They also had rice and peas with ackee and saltfish, and I had some dragon fruit. My son ordered fried fish as well as rice and peas, which he said was really good. And I believe the fish was snapper. And I love the way that they fold the napkins. I think they're so cute. It looks like a little necktie to me.
I said they probably just steal the season, don't they?
Yeah. And for dessert that night, we had a small piece of sweet potato pudding with an amazing rum sauce on top that was warm and sweet and green. This one, sweet potato bread pudding. No, this is potato pudding. Good morning, everyone. It is the day before New Year's Eve. Today is December 30th, 2021, and I am headed to breakfast here at the S Hotel. I'm going to share with you what they have on the menu for today. I know it's going to be something yummy. Next, we're going on the beach after breakfast today. But I'll share some pictures and videos with you guys. All right, see you soon. So that morning I had Jamaica's national dish, which is ackee and saltfish with fried breadfruit and yellow yam and bread pudding. Everything was great. I also had freshly made green juice. I believe this is callaloo, pineapples, and a little bit of ginger. Don't bother me. This is the beach. Just sitting here, collecting all these waves. Here's some cool finds from the ocean. We have the seashell, and then we also have a beautiful starfish. I was really amazed. I think these are so cool. So beautiful. This is Dr. Cave Beach, the beach that the S Hotel is located on. It is absolutely stunning. Good morning. It is New Year's Eve 2021. Headed to breakfast. I'll tell you what they serve today. It should be something special since it's a holiday. We ate heavy that morning. I had some fried plantain, some steamed callaloo with pumpkin and yams, and brown stew fish, which was really, really, really amazing. A really big callaloo. It's not really big, but it definitely looks powerful. Like, it's gonna just be damage.
What's the point of how?
So my son got crunchy munchy from Devon House. Crunchy munchy ice cream. We're heading to dinner on New Year's Eve. New Year's Day. Good night. Yeah, so I'll share what we're having soon. That night I had some pumpkin soup with a small piece of corn, which was really good. And I also had some carrot rice with sweet and sour chicken and some fried snapper along with a small salad. My son had their rasta pasta, which is pretty much a penne pasta with ackee, which is half of Jamaica's national dish, ackee and saltfish. It was really tasty. Yeah, jackfruit cheesecake. So this is jackfruit cheesecake, Boston cream and